When was the last time you had a heartfelt, feel good conversation with your besties? I'm missing these get togethers too. You know, a place to tune out the noise and tune in. A place for dialogue that's authentic, affirming, hello, positive. A space to pour yourself a cup of coffee, tea, water, or wine and ignite your own brilliance. We each need a sacred space in our lives to intelligently and creatively explore our desires, dreams, feelings, fears, wonders, wounds in order to lift up our voices and spirits. Yeah, conversations for our hearts and souls as women. That's why I created She Gets It, the place to self coach and align our deepest truths with our highest potential, one conversation at a time. We've already explored our origin stories, the art and impact of apologies, and this week we're talking about sliding door moments, the near misses, almost was, and what ifs that potentially lead us down different paths of possibility. That what if I'd said no instead of yes moment, or what if I'd never met so and so? Where would I be now? Taking a few minutes to tune into yourself and connect with other women is a gift in these harried and hurried times. I invite you to check it out this week. It's free. I'd love to add your voice to the conversation. SheGetsIt.com. For now, just let's stay connected. Cyber safe hugs.